446. Gathered unto their fathers. Chalcedon Report number 366, January 1996. When I entered the first grade, learning to read was, for me, a marvellous privilege. As I learned to read, I usually read my textbooks from cover to cover at once, and anything else I could find. In May 1923, a friend of my father, later a professor of mathematics, gave him John Morley's The Life of Richard Cobden. I now have the book and treasure it. It was so beautifully bound I had to read it. But, most of all, I read and reread the Bible. Much I did not understand, but it was all exciting reading. One expression impressed me greatly. The Bible spoke of a man dying to be gathered unto his people. Genesis chapter 25 verse 8 and verse 17, etc. Or in Judges chapter 2 verse 10, gathered unto their fathers. As a child, as a young and now an old man, I have often thought of that phrase. My ancestors came to the faith by God's grace somewhere between AD 310 to 320, so there are many to be gathered too. Both of my grandfathers were killed for their faith by the Turks. My paternal grandfather was blinded first to prevent him from his calling, but he knew much of the Bible and all of the liturgy by heart, so he continued to serve, and then he was killed. Many died a like death before him. One of them, Isaac Rushdoony, now the name of Mark's son, was killed by the Persian Mazdakites, the most radical communists in history, for refusing to renounce Christ. A number of Armenian leaders were executed on that same day in AD 451. To be gathered unto my fathers is an exciting and awe-inspiring thought. It leads me often to pray that all my children's children to the end of time will be faithful to the Lord and a part of the great gathering. Mark chapter 12 verses 25 and 26 tells us that, in the new creation, there is neither marrying nor giving in marriage, but the phrase, gathered unto their fathers, indicates some kind of family closeness, despite the fact that marriage is transcended. In time, or rather beyond time, we will understand its meaning. Meanwhile, God calls himself our Father, and he gathers us to himself and to our redeemed forebears. We shall meet all those who preceded us. Ours is a very rich and exciting faith. Of course, meanwhile, there is so much work that I want to do, the Lord permitting. Also, I have a number of unread books that I want to read. I enjoy my work, and I find the gathering an awe-inspiring fact, but so too the privilege of serving him here. Our times are in thy hands, O Lord, who doest all things well.